Okay, where do you want me to start?
Number 24.
24. Okay, what page are we on?
65. 11, 13, 14, 15,
Okay,
26.
number 24.
Hey, what? Okay, bye. Yeah.
Hey, shh, shh, shh.
Thank you,
Hey. All right, number 24. What's up next? We are supposed to just plug the 9 in there, right? Okay. So if I replace the x with a 9, what happens to these two things right here?
They multiply.
Right? And then when you multiply them, what do you get?
18 over 80.
Okay, do you want to do it that way? So not over 81, because remember this 9 is really 9 over 1. So 2 times 9 on top is 18. 9 times 1 though on the bottom is 9.
Oh, I did that wrong.
Yeah, so you don't multiply both the top and the bottom by the 9. Okay?
It confused me because the x was in the middle.
Okay, so you're good now? Okay, so 18 over 9 reduces to 2 minus 9 halves. What's 9 halves as a decimal? 4.5. So if we go 2 minus 4.5, you get a final answer of -2.
How did I get -16?
-16?
You added.
I don't know how you would have come up with that. Hard to say. Okay, what else?
22 and 23.
22?
Yeah, I need 22.
Okay, what was giving you guys trouble about those?
I'm just confused. I don't like these.
Just with the fraction thing in there? They're all fractions you're asking about? 22. Is that a negative in front? Must be. Okay, so this is the same thing as before. All they're doing, all this notation means is just plug in the -1 for the x and tell me what the answer is. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is rewrite it with a -1 in there instead of an x. And what do you get from that? Yep, it'd just be a positive 12 over 5 because this negative and this negative cancel each other out and make a positive 12 over 5, which you could also write as a mixed number. What would that be as a mixed number? 2 and 2/5, very nice. Or you could write it as a decimal, which would be 2.4. I'm okay with this improper fraction as long as it's reduced all the way down. Okay, so 24 over 10, no good, because 2 goes into both of them evenly, but 12 over 5 I'm okay with, all right? So what you need to understand from this one is this negative in front of the fraction sign, a lot of times that confuses students. It either goes with the top or it goes with the bottom, but not with both, okay? If you put it on the top, you get this. If you make the bottom negative, it'll work out the same way, but you can't use the negative on the top and the bottom because then they would cancel out and wouldn't even be there. Yeah? Right, yeah, that's another way to just sort of cover it up, figure out the answer, and then change the sign. Yeah, good deal. Okay, and then did you say 23 also?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
25, 26. Oh.
So then you're good?
Yeah.
Okay, we getting it now? What do we do with 23? All you have to do is plug in the -11 for the x. So what's 11 times -11?
-1.
-121. Minus 11 is -. You got it? Okay, so the notation was confusing you a little bit, was all that was?
No, I just totally like.
I just didn't know how to do it at all.
But do you get it now? Okay. All right, and then we have some word problems. Everybody loves word problems, right?
Technically, it's not really a word problem.
Did you do 25 and 26? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so number 25 says, write a function rule to model the cost per month of a long-distance cell phone calling plan, then evaluate the function for the given number of minutes. So for number 25, if our monthly service fee is $4.52 and our cost per minute is 12 cents, can somebody raise their hand and give me a function that we could use for that one?
Is that equal sign?
Abby?
12 cents x plus 1 hour.
Okay, so 12 cents, and I'm going to use M for minutes. Is that okay? All right. Plus what?
Plus
$4.52. Okay, does that make sense? So you have to pay $4.52 right off the bat, and then 12 cents per minute on top of that. Okay?
I did
Yeah.
all multiplication, so is that wrong?
So you had 0.12 M times 4.52?
No, I did 4.52 times 2.
Times 12x or whatever?
Was it 250? So I did 4.52 times 250x.
I don't see it. Oh, the minutes use 250. Okay. But you're not multiplying the monthly fee by the minutes. You're multiplying the cost per minute by the minutes. So
Okay,
you
so
multiplied the wrong thing.
If I just switched it around.
And then I think you're okay. Yeah, we'll do that in a second so you can check and make sure. Janae?
Is it fun that I put 250 times x instead of 0.12 times m?
So you used an X instead of an M? Yeah, that's okay.
Not in minutes, switch them around, so.
Oh, okay, so same thing maybe what Kara said. You had a 250 in here instead of a,
Yeah.
okay, no, you need the 0.12 because it's 12 cents a minute. So to start with, you need to come up with this equation here. So you're not using the 250 yet. Okay? What the 250 is for is the second part of the problem. Now you're supposed to figure out how much you will pay that month if you use your cell phone for 250 minutes. Okay? So where does the 250 go now? In for the M. So now is when I go 0.12 times 250 plus 4.52. And did anybody do this? What do you come up with? Anthony, what did you get? $34.52.
Can you check it?
Is this what you got?
Why would you want to check my work?
Well, no, I was just curious.
Or for me to check her work?
No, because I was just curious if it comes out the same when I do it this way.
Okay, hang on to that and then I'll take a look when we're done relating. All right? Okay, so 26 is pretty much the same thing. Hopefully you have the hang of it now. So for 26, if the monthly service fee has changed to $3.12 and now your rate is 18 cents per minute, somebody besides Abby or Anthony, perhaps Lindsay,
Okay.
what did you get?
Number what?
26.
3.12
So that's your monthly service fee
plus, I think I already got it.
plus.
175 times
Okay, so you're giving us the answer for that specific number of minutes.
20.
Okay, but if we don't know the specific number of minutes yet, then the general equation would be 0.18 times m. Does that make sense? Okay, so you're supposed to do it in 2 steps. Now to solve the second part, was it, what did you say, 175 this time? So now you put in 175 minutes. So this is what you had? Okay, so you basically had it, yeah. So what does that come up to be? 34.62. Anthony, is she right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we okay with that? All right, anything else?
No.
Okay, will you pass those forward? And if you're, hey, listen real quick. Listen real quick. If your birthday is in January, February, or March, will you go with Miss Fowler? January, February, or March?
Yeah. Go ahead. Oh, you're fine. I'm actually like trying to focus here. I know. Can you help me? Yeah. Hey, you gotta give me some credit. Maybe. Well, I
One person.
No, Andy.
Two people. That'd be more than
I'll see you all. Wait up, baby. I don't feel like send me college.
Hey, 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 April birthdays too. We gotta get a little bit more going. A few more. Yeah, Megan, just Megan and Abby.
My birthday's in January. I'm on my way.
Oh, you're in January?
I'm making my way.
Yes, Megan.
Happy birthday to you.
Yep. I don't know how I'm gonna find it though. Oh my goodness.